If you, every time you open your project file, get this message, this is how to quickly remove it and why it happens. Here I have two of the same image, one a copy of the other. Both are located on my desktop, but if I remove the copied file from my desktop, it removes it from the project file as it doesn't save it in the program, unlike for example Photoshop. If you have relocated the file to somewhere else, just specify a new location or replacement file and select the new drive or folder or just the specific file that you relocated. If it's on purpose and you just meant to actually delete the file as you don't need it anymore, all you have to do for now, ignore all missing files and leave them online. You see it's no longer here. If you want to just remove it because it's annoying to have in your project file or whatever, just make sure to delete this first as you don't need it anymore anyways. Then just go to Tools, Clean Project Media, and it removes itself from the program. This is just genuinely also good to do to help you keep yourself organized, like if you have a very big project and a lot of files you don't need anymore. Or sometimes if you do have really big project files, your Vegas just might run slower because you have a lot of things in your program, and if you don't even need them anymore, you can just delete them and your Vegas might run better as well. Yeah, thanks for watching.